In this lesson, we're going to learn about land and water. Land. Land is solid. It is made up of minerals, rocks, and soil. So let's take a look at the pictures on this screen. The top picture might look like what you see when you look out the window of your house, or a friend's house, or a relative's house. Looks like a big grassy yard, perfect for playing ball in or tag, or in the winter maybe building a snowman. This is an example of land. The bottom picture is also an example of land. In this picture, you can see some dry grass. You can see some very large hills, or maybe they're small mountains. Both of these pictures show you examples of land. Now let's take a look at water. Water is fluid. Fluid means that it moves around. Think about when you are at the ocean and the waves are coming in. Or even think about holding a glass and shaking it. Not too hard, of course, when you have water. It moves around, it's fluid. Water also changes shape to fit whatever space contains it. So think about at night when you get into your bathtub filled with water. The bathtub holds the water. So the water fills in the bathtub. It's not just sitting in a small puddle in the middle, it fills the whole tub. Let's look at another example about how water changes shape. So in the first picture, you see a container full of water ready to be poured. In the middle picture, we're pouring the water into the glass. In the third picture, we have a glass of water. Look again at the first picture and the third picture, the glass. Do you see how the water is a different shape? It's because the container holding it is a different shape. Bodies of water all have land under them. So take a moment to think about maybe a time where you walked in a stream or a creek, or maybe you got to go to the ocean and put your feet in the water. Underneath that water was something for you to stand on. There was land. So bodies of water all have land under them. Just like when you get in the water in your bathtub, there's a bathtub underneath your water. It doesn't go on forever and ever. You're standing in the tub with all of the water in it, so there's something underneath it. The same is true for rivers, lakes, streams, creeks, oceans. Even though they're water, they do have land under them. So let's see how you do with identifying land or water. Take a moment to look at each of these four pictures. After you've looked at the picture, decide, is the picture showing you land or is it showing you water? Now, don't be tricked by number 4. Number 4, I only want you to look at the part that the red arrow is pointing at. So, again, picture number 4, only look at what the red arrow is pointing at. As always, if you have any questions, make sure you ask your teacher.